And we back. Okay, I hope this one is not gonna fuck up. I don't know what happened, but my Windows just messed up. So let's get back into it. I want this thing right here to be right in the middle. Like, as you can see, it just looks okay. I guess for that I'm gonna need to I don't know, maybe if I so this is the one. Like this, and say max width. Is it the max width again? No, it isn't. Okay. How do I put this one in the middle? Maybe if I put a column in this one. Oh, but wait a second. Actually, why is there? Oh, because there's a second column, right? Okay. Maybe if I put a column in here and there. Okay. Maybe it's gonna look. Oh, now we talking. And I'm gonna put a margin, just like I said above. Maybe padding is a bit better than margin. Let's see the same thing here. Okay. Cool. That looks good. The problem with this one is that I've colored, as you can see here, I've colored the wrapper and not the SVG, and that's why we get this thing right here. So I'm gonna try and put the geomap right here into a container. Maybe it's gonna look better. Okay, it's better. And this one, so this is the selection tool. Oh, but it's already in a container. So maybe I don't need this one. Right? Sorry for this. Okay, and I just want this. So it's the select. And do we have a select in here? Drop down. Yes, we do have a drop down. A button drop down. Okay, I just want a simple one. Large, small, whatever. Just give me a drop down. So I'm gonna say drop down. Okay, what is the difference? I guess it's exactly the same thing. So I'm just gonna say drop down toggle. Okay. Drop down menu and drop down item. Alright. So I can replace this option thing with drop down. Okay, so no, the select here. Ooh, shit. Is going to be drop down. I'm actually gonna remove this style thing, and what? Okay. Drop down toggle, yes. Drop down toggle, caret, where is caret? Okay, select a property. It's not really a property, right? It's more like feature. I don't know. Yeah. Select info. Oh, this is always select data. Select feature. Yeah, whatever. It's not that important, right? Okay. So toggle is open. I guess we are just gonna say this. Drop down. Okay, open, and then toggle, right. Oh, nope, it's above. Okay, and but is it gonna? Oh, but it's buttons. It's not a select tool or something, right? It's gonna be annoying then. Drop downs. Right, because then I need to put an on click every time. Oh, come on, this is annoying. I don't want to do that. Droplet. Yeah, you know what? Whatever. I'm not gonna bother too much with that. What's gonna happen if I do this? Yeah. Alright, I guess I'm just gonna go back to the select tool and just remove this. Alright, so where are we? Where were we? Okay. Can we center this? Like, I don't know. I can probably put a padding on this one, on the card, right? Class name. Yep, like this. Remove the T head. And just put an overview here. And I want to, oh, maybe there's something to do that. Let me check. I'm sorry guys, I'm just not really used to using Bootstrap. I've used it a couple of times, but I just prefer doing it my own way with some old CSS. At least, I don't know, I feel like I have more freedom. The thing is, I would usually use Bootstrap whenever I don't want to focus too much on the styling and I don't have a precise idea of where I want to go. But if I do know what I want for styling, I would rather do it my way with CSS, because then I know what I have to do in order to get where I want, if that makes sense. And that's why it's a bit of a pain to do it like this, but we'll make it work. We'll make it work. I guess what I can do here is put a container. It's a bit of a kill, right? Row column. No, we don't need that when I just want to put the select here within a container just to center it, right? How can I do that? Is there a way to do this? Layout. Yes, this one. So how can I do? Yes, I do need it. Row and columns, or I guess what I can do is, instead of saying margin like this, top and bottom, and I'm gonna say auto here. So this is the container, and this is the margin. Usually it works, but obviously it didn't. How does this containers work? Display block. Yeah, there's no flex or something. So I guess the way to do it is I could do, this is, you see, this is why I don't like it. It's because it's just a pain to do it. Now I can remove the, nope, not the padding, the margin. Yes, okay. I can probably do 6. What? I can only do 3. See? Oh, come on. I can do 4. Yes, I can. So how do I put you in the center? Maybe with a row and a column. Up here. Okay. And then I just say text center. Can I do this? Oh, it works. Okay. Oh, maybe I could have done this here, right? Let me try. Yeah. So I'm gonna remove this and that. Let's just do this. Okay. Now same thing with this one, but LE. Okay, then maybe what I could do is put another card in the bottom for the last selector. So this one is in here, yes. So as you can see, we have a row with a column, and then I'm gonna put a card in there all the way to the bottom here. Okay, and what I'm gonna do with this one is that I'm gonna say, okay, so for this row first, we are gonna say padding 3. Oops. Okay, and same thing here. Okay. And oh, it looks nice. And then I guess when I'm gonna do this, it's gonna, yeah, it's not in the card, right? So I want this to be in the card, so I'm gonna this is probably not the right way of doing it, but who cares? So it's just here, right? So that when I do this, boom, I get that. Okay. As you can see, it's way better. Now, now I guess I don't want this one to look this like this. What? Oh, okay. This is cool because I can, you know, I can see what's going on today. And as you can see, back to home is going quite well. Yeah, that's cool. Anyway, what then? I think I'm doing a really bad job right now, and I know it. And I'm sorry about this, but you have to bear with me for this one, I guess. So we have this table. How do I make it look like this? I need to remove the stripped. Oops. What kind of tables do we have? We have those one. I made a stripped one because I thought, well, because we have a lot of rows, it would be easier to read, right? But I think it looks a bit old, right? Choose department. Yeah, that's better. But then we have this thing, so yes, it's still in a container. So we here, this is the selector, and then we have this, which I'm gonna put a padding. Okay, cool. A bit more Alright, cool. Do we have sliders out there? Progress? Nope. Spinners, popovers, modals, input, because this is an input. We don't. Shoot. Okay, never mind. Another thing I would have loved to do is this thing right here. You know, when you go over this one like this, yeah, this one, like you have this tooltip, and I would like to see how it's done. So, oops, I guess I'm just gonna select one, and okay, maybe it's this one. Okay. Is there an after or something? Nope. I'm gonna have to look for this, I guess. So let's go. Because it's in the geo map and it's in the label section. So let's figure that out. Tooltip D3js. Yes, like this. Okay, tooltip. What? Okay. So tooltip is a div. Okay. Let me try this one out. Div for the tooltip. So how is it done? Because for the labels it was this, so svg dot select all label text. I guess I'm just gonna do the same thing, except okay, so labels right now is join text, but I don't want to join text, I want to append body. So I guess the select body append div. Maybe I can do something like this. Dot append div dot attribute class and tooltip, right? And then just add this, right? I guess. Don't know. how is it gonna change when you go over it? Because here you define the tooltip. Oh. I'm struggling so much. Okay, I need to select them all. And join circle. But I don't want to join circle. I want to append. Okay, that select, that append. Okay, so this one, append dot attribute class tooltip. Yes, and then yes, style, position, absolute, and then style again, visibility, hidden, I prefer display none. Okay, did it crash? No, it didn't. Okay. Why is it like this? Come on. Okay. And text. Okay, so I can put a text. Dot text. I'm. Oops. You know, I'm a department. Okay. And mouse over. Okay. Oh, but what I can do is instead of doing this here, I can put a function and say feature. Okay. And I can put data, right? Oh, no. I know. So I've done that here. Give me a second, please. Okay. Can I do joint? Does it work? No, it doesn't work. Right, when I do this, Oh, but nope. If I do this, now it should work. Yes, no, you see that? Yep. Okay, so I guess, can I do it div? Oh, but I can do it rectangle, right? Okay, so I can rec. I think it's rec. I hope. Okay, it doesn't work. It's really annoying. Oh, because yes, draw circles, attribute X. Oh, maybe if I do join div method section, join appends, removes and reorders elements as necessary to match the data that was previously bound by selection the data. Okay, and so let's see if I can, instead of putting this, okay, command, put style position absolute, because it doesn't look like it's crashing or something, but let's see the whole thing. Okay, it's this one. There's the SVG. And then we should have a div, right? Okay. You have all those calls. Ooh, yes, it's here. Okay, so we do have it. It's here. It's just not showing off. And why? Maybe we can do a style z index. Maybe, I don't know. 100. I don't know. Maybe it could help. I think I need this SVG to have a position relative. So I'm gonna say this position relative. Maybe it could help. And this label thing, or I could do it here, label, right, and remove this style from here and do it here. So what is the style that you put on? So we have this thing right here. Oh, that's going that's gonna be hard. Let's first put it on top. So display position absolute z index 100, just in case. Let's put 10. Background white. No, looking at the right one. Okay, I know it's here. know you're there. You know what? I'm gonna change it directly from here. Oh, such a pain in the ass. Okay, and again a path. Okay, it's here. Now I can edit the index, so it's here, but it's nowhere. Oh, because I put, nope, not even. I thought it had some kind of a display inline. I don't know. Where is it? Oh man. Position fixed. Top 0. Shit. Visibility. Visible. Where is it? Where is it? Maybe there's something. Be honest, I don't really understand why it doesn't show. Bro, where are you? You're not even telling me where it is. Okay. I don't know. Oh, I hope it's not a stupid thing like this. I don't know, I think I'm gonna stop it here because it's just plain boring. I mean, it's here, but it doesn't exist. So if I do position absolute az index top like 0 and right 0, there's no reason it should work. Why does it work? I don't know. I mean, it should, in theory. If I say color black, SVG, this is super annoying, but anyway, got it. Okay. Yep, like this. It's better. Okay. Sorry. I'm just. It's just plain old boring. It's a bit better, but hope we'll be able to do something even better next time. I just want to fix the title here. Put it in a padding or something. Ooh, that's maybe a lot. Padding top. I think you can do something like this. Yes. And padding x 3 4. Okay, I'm just gonna save this. I guess it's enough for today. Next time we'll try to work on the data a bit more. So the goal will be to first generate the right numbers here. So we'll have to sum up the data for every department, and same thing here. And then yes, what I was talking about last time was about getting the bed capacities for each department and getting a color scale based on bed capacities for a given department. So let's say we're looking here, it should be green when we are way below bed capacities, and it should turn red when we go over this bed capacity. So I already found the data for these capacities, but they are based on something like for 10,000 inhabitants. So it means that I also need a data set for population in each department, and to avoid a lot of data processing in the browser, I'll try to, I don't know, figure out a script to do it beforehand so that we don't have to bother with all this processing afterhand. So I'll keep you updated. Once I've done it, I'll try to prepare it a bit in advance so that it doesn't get boring like this one, and hopefully I'll get better at it. So see you in the next video.